In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your account, set up your project, organize your team, and make the official submission. Everything is simple and straightforward. Shall we get started? Enter your name and email and create a password with at least 8 characters. Confirm and click on Create Account. With your account created, let's move on to the hackathon and project submission. On the hackathon page, check the details and click on Submit Project. Here, you can check all the details of the hackathon, such as the prize tracks. Then you'll click on Participate and Register. Done, registration completed. Now you're going to submit your project. Give it a clear name and an objective description. What the project does, its main features, and its impact. List the technologies used and the language model AI tools employed. Be precise and concise. Insert the public link to the demo video and the repository link. GitHub, GitLab. Upload the pitch PDF up to 5 megabytes and the project thumbnail image up to 2 megabytes. When you save or create, you'll see a success message at the top. Open the project overview to check the description, technologies, repository, and pitch viewer. Let's manage the team. Add members by email. They need to have an account created. With the team formed, the cards show the leader and members. Remember, only the leader can submit. Now go back to Submit Project, select your project, and choose the correct track. Review everything and click on Submit Project. Check public links, the correct track, and the complete team before confirming. After submitting, wait. The winners will be announced in the official event announcement. And that was our tutorial. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.